Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Following that, select one of your chats and tap on this icon with a photo and the camera located at the bottom left corner. Now you can select your photos from here by clicking on them, or click on Gallery section instead and select them from here. When you're ready, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!